You guys, we finally find our apartment and I'm so happy. So, let me show you guys the general place. So, this is the main living room. You guys can see how white this place is. This is the living room. So, even though there is no lightning in this apartment right now, but you can still see what I'm seeing with the daylight. So, this is the guest restroom. So, if you have a visitor, this is the extra toilet they get to use, and it is so nice. It's so wide, so you guys can see the wideness of this place. I mean, this is the exact thing that I've been looking for. So this area is the mini dining area that you can use, and let me show you guys the rooms. So this is the smallest room in this place, and you can see there's nothing so much going on, and it's just a small room. It came with its own mini wardrobe. So this is just the wideness of the wardrobe, nothing too much, nothing too dramatic. And oh, okay, this is the stuff for that you load your prepaid meter with. So anyway, moving on. So this is the wardrobe, and you guys can see my excitement about this house. So the smallest room, this is the bathroom that came with it, and you guys can see a glass door. And you guys will not be surprised. So this is how the glass door came with the whole apartment in this house. So this is the smallest room. This is his own thing. I like the way the glass door is separating the bath from the water closet. So moving on, guys, to the second next big room. So this is the second room, and you guys can see it's obviously wider than the first one. And this is its own bathroom too. It is a little bit wider than the first one that I checked before, and it's so nice. So now to the biggest room in this apartment. So this is supposed to be the master bedroom. You guys can see the wideness. I think my camera angles is not doing justice to how wide this place is. So of course it came with its own mini closets too. I mean, this is not mini, this is wide, it is big. I don't think I'll be needing anything extra aside from this one. My camera couldn't capture the whole wardrobe as a whole because of the corner that it is, but you guys can just see that what I'm saying. You can sense it. I mean, you can feel it. So, guys, I'm so happy about this one. One day we are going to talk about how agents do not want to give houses to women who are not standing by a man, maybe their husband or something. But anyway, that's a discussion for another day. And this is how my bathroom is looking like. So this is the a bathroom that came with a master bedroom. Of course, it's bigger than the other two that we've seen before. And it's so nice. I mean, see the space. And this is what I'm talking about in apartments. I mean, it's like God intentionally saved the best for the last. Now, let me show you guys. So for this second room now, for it's looking like the wardrobe is not going to enough for this place. This is the small wardrobe that came with this room. Anyway, that one is not a problem. I can always make something around it, maybe make another wardrobe on the top, or that is not even a big deal. So, guys, moving on to the kitchen. This is the place I love the most in this house. Now, for the kitchen, you guys will see that what I was talking about the other apartment that I've checked before. See how big a kitchen should be now. And the only thing I don't like in this kitchen is the tiles. I mean, the color of the tiles. I think it is too dull for me. So I'm just going to change that. But anyway, you guys can see how big it is. I still have enough leg room. And the stuffs are new. It's just that they are covered in dirt right now. And it even has a very big store. I mean, what more could I even ask for in a rented apartment? This is so nice. This is cool. So I'm just going to do some painting. I'm just going to do some tiles, work. And this is my agent showing me and trying to tell me how I can arrange the whole place. I mean, it's not a big deal. We found an apartment.